Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can unblock someone in the Snapchat app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. So, let us get started with you. And open the Snapchat app on your device. And then in the top left corner, tap on your image to go to your profile. And then in the top right corner, tap on the gear to go to Snapchat settings. This is where you'll need to scroll down until you find this section here, which is called Blocked Users, and go to it. Here you'll see all the people you've once previously blocked on the Snapchat app. In order to unblock, you just need to click on this cross next to the person's name. And then give your consent to unblock that person. As you can see, instantly the person is already unblocked. That's the simple way, friends, you can unblock someone on the Snapchat app. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.